Today, we'll be taking a look at the door mullion on the Samsung French door refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, let's go ahead and open the door. Now we have clear access to the door mullion. The way that this mullion operates, we'll open this door, is when you open and close the door here, it flips in and out on this. And then whenever you close this door, it causes the seal to line up on the door mullion. Now, one of the main reasons why you'd be replacing it would be if this piece is broken on the top here. I see that broken a lot. Or if you're getting a large amount of condensation building up on the mullion because the internal heater is not working. In order to replace your mullion, we have 2 Phillips screws in the side here. Take these out. Then to remove your mullion, you're going to lift up on your assembly. It will slip off the brackets and you're going to pull out. Because you have one small Molex inside, you will pinch it in the center, separate it, and set it to the side. When installing your new mullion, first we're going to reconnect our Molex. Then, obviously, make sure your spring is at the top. What we are going to do is these pieces here slide down on these, and the inside one actually goes in an angle. It has a small hook on it. So let's push in all of our wiring. Let's get our hook in place first, and then slide these back against the wall. We have the hook in. We have those against it. Let's slide down. Make sure our screws are going to line up. Very carefully reinstall your screws. Make sure the door opens and closes, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.